I'm Sam. Sam Cook.
Sam,
Pleased to meet you.
pleasure to meet you, mate. Pleasure. It's been a very dapper, Sam.
Thank you. I tried my best. And you,
Three-piece tonight, standing next to you.
we're recording, Ben.
Yeah, you heard that correctly. Award-winning actor Johan Griffith complimenting my suit at the BAFTAs. Best day of my life. And with the BAFTA 2019 nominations out, we caught up with Bafta Cymru boss Hannah Raybould to find out who's in with a chance.
It's been an amazing year for Welsh TV, film and games. I think we've had the highest number of entries. There's some really special moments for us. It's the first male nominee in the makeup category for 10 years, the first female camera person in drama ever. So there's sort of some key things that we can look at and say, yeah, we seem to be in a good place. Anorak, feature documentary that was made independently, going up against a Netflix feature film and an S4C drama. So it just shows the eclectic mix of what's being made in Wales and by the Welsh. Obviously the actor, actress, presenter categories are always really sort of key things. Anthony Hopkins, Celyn Jones, Michael Sheen, Matthew Rhys, that's the big names. And then we've got Doctor Who going up against Peter Kay's car share, going up against a new nomination for Gabrielle Creevy, and another nomination for Enid and Lucy. So it's a really broad mix for us this year.
We're at BAFTA Cymru. This is amazing. This is potentially the best day of my life.
St David's Hall, red carpet, people can come down, meet the people who are nominated, get some selfies, get some signatures and come and celebrate with us, hopefully.